Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, a fantastic eggplant and chickpea curry. We've got some beautiful Indian spices in there. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, and it's vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So, eggplant cut into nice small bite-sized pieces, tomatoes, try and use a nice ripe tomato, onion, chopped nice and small. By the way, I'm going to put all the amounts in the text below. Chickpeas, that's from a can, that chickpea. So if you're going to get it from a can, always give it a nice wash in some water. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Garlic, ginger paste, garam masala powder, fresh chilies. And in here, I always call this the big four, equal parts, about a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, coriander and cumin, and then some whole seeds. We've got cinnamon stick and cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with some oil. We might add a little bit of water depending on how juicy our tomatoes are, and of course some salt. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so here we are at the cooker. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you wanted. We're going to start off by dropping in our whole seeds, and in this case it's cinnamon and cumin seeds. You could be adding more different stuff to this if you want, like cardamom, black or green, you know, lots of other stuff, you know, coriander seeds. It's endless, isn't it, the amount of stuff you can chuck in here. What we're doing anyway is we're just letting this do its thing in the oil. It's going to infuse that oil and give it a really lovely flavour. We're on quite a high heat, by the way. To that we're going to add in our onion. And our eggplant. So staying on this vibrant heat, we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Fantastic, these onions are just taking nicely, and we're giving these eggplants a nice head start. What we're going to do now is drop in our garlic ginger paste and our chickpeas, and we're going to stay on this heat, and we're going to go for another 3 minutes. Great stuff. Okay, we're now going to add our chopped tomatoes. Like I say, try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. We're going to get in some fresh chili. I'm putting mine in whole like that. You can chop it if you want. And then we're going to get our powders in. Let's just take one more look. So what I've got there is equal parts of chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. About a teaspoon each. If you wanted, you could just be using a curry powder mix that you have. While I'm here, and before I forget, let's get some salt in the mix. Now what we're looking for here is our tomatoes to break down and produce a nice sauce. As you can see, there's nothing in the pan at the moment, but we're going to cook this for 5 minutes. And if you have used a nice juicy tomato, you're going to get some nice masala or gravy here. If not, we can just add a little bit of water. I'll see you in about 5 minutes. And look at that. When I've got loads and loads of moisture out of those tomatoes and they're starting to break down. Like I say, if you haven't, get some water in there. We're going to lower the heat. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. We're going to get a lid on this. And we'll let it go for about 8 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. We've only now got our garam masala powder and our cilantro to go in. Give it a stir every now and then, nice low heat. It's going to be beautiful. Okay, off goes the heat. We're at the final stage here. Lid off, steam out. And that is fabulous. You can check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more. It's great for me. The garam masala powder, nice little pinch at the end, pinch or two at the end. And the fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. I'm going to give that a little mix. Get yourself some rice ready, some nice white rice cooked. And this is absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you very soon. Lots of love. Yummy.